In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download private video from Telegram on PC or Mac. We'll keep this simple and clear, using only the Telegram desktop app so you don't need any extra tools. First, make sure you have Telegram desktop installed and that you are signed in with your account. If you are launching it for the first time on a new computer, you may need to verify your login through the app on your phone. Once you are in, you are ready to go. Next, navigate to the private channel or group where the video is shared. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the chat by its name. Or scroll through your chat list if you've recently viewed it. When you open the chat, take a moment to let the video fully load in the conversation so the app can prepare it for saving. If it's a large file, you may see a download indicator on the thumbnail. Let that finish before moving on. When the video is ready, place your cursor over it and right-click. On a Mac, you can right-click with a mouse, use a two-finger click on the trackpad, or hold Ctrl and click. This opens a small menu with several options tied to the media from that menu. Select Save As or Save Video As. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your Telegram version, but both lead to the same result. Your computer's save dialog will appear, letting you choose where the file will go and what it should be called. If you want to keep things organized, pick a folder you'll remember, like videos or a project folder you've already set up. When you choose your location and click Save, Telegram will begin saving the file. In many cases, Telegram creates a new folder called Telegram Desktop inside the folder you selected, and places the video there. This is normal behavior and helps keep files from the app grouped together. If you prefer a different structure, you can move or rename the file afterward without affecting the video itself. Give the download a moment to complete, especially if the video is long or your connection is slower. Once it's done, you can open the folder you chose, and you'll find the saved video ready to play. Keep in mind that very large videos can take up significant disk space, so it's a good idea to check you have enough room before saving. That's it. Thanks for watching.